Have you ever thought to yourself, once I get the job, I'll be happy. Once I lose the weight, I can do this. Once I find a partner, I'll finally be at peace. The truth is, you don't have to wait. You can be happy now. And in fact, you can't wait in order to be happy. So many of us are waiting for the circumstances to change so we can be happy, so we can feel a certain way. And the truth is, the circumstances are not responsible for our happiness. If that were true, every fit person would be thrilled with their life. Every wealthy person would be full of joy. It has nothing to do with the money, the health, the relationship. Happiness really does come from within, as cliche as it sounds. So what if you could be happy now? What if you could give yourself permission to find happiness right where you are instead of giving yourself a laundry list of things that need to be different so you can be happy? People, jobs, and money are attracted by energy. And so here's how you can change your energy to start attracting the things that you want and being happy right where you are. Start by making a list of things that you are happy with in your life. We tend to focus on what's missing, where we're not happy. Those are the stories we tell. Those are the conversations we have with other people and ourselves. Make a different list. Make a list of things that you are happy about yourself, about your life. Start focusing on what is going right. Gratitude is a powerful way to expand your energy, to make you more of an attractive force to the things that you want. Practicing gratitude every day is a powerful way to really make you start feeling happier and more alive right where you are. What are you grateful for today? If you really look at your life, it is filled with blessings. Start really expanding your view on what you're grateful for and cultivate gratitude in everything that you do. Journaling is one of the ways to help you develop happiness, gratitude, to shift your energy. Again, most of us have been trained to journal the things that we're not happy with, right? If you ever had the Dear Diary and here's what went wrong in my day, change your journaling practice to, again, what's going good in your life? What are you grateful for? What are you calling in? By journaling and writing those things down every day, it helps to keep it more front of mind and helps to really shift your thinking and your energy, which therefore is going to create more happiness, but it's also going to help you attract the things that you're looking for in your life. Use meditation to shift your energy and your vibration and to develop a mindset of happiness. Meditation is a great way to still your mind, to focus your thinking on what's important to you. Giving yourself the gift of that silence in meditation will help calm that little negative voice and to really focus you on what it is that you do want to create. And prioritize joy and happiness and watch it grow in your life. Do more things that bring you joy, that make you happy, and create those moments throughout your day and really savor them. And the more that you're generating joy and happiness in those little moments, it will grow in bigger and bigger ways in your life. Happiness is a muscle that you can grow and you can cultivate. Happiness is not something that comes from the outside and changing the conditions. Happiness is something that we cultivate within ourselves. It's a muscle you absolutely can build and develop by doing these simple things. Start today. Your happiness is absolutely worth it. I'm Stacey Berger. Here is to you living a life you love.